Is it the right time to buy or sell Google stock? Today, we're going to delve deeper into this question and provide you with a more detailed analysis. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, December 4, 2023. Now, we're here to offer you valuable insights that can help inform your investment decisions. To stay updated on our latest analysis, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. By doing so, you won't miss any crucial updates that could potentially impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. This tool taps into the power of artificial intelligence to provide you with free price predictions and in-depth analysis for over 25,000 companies worldwide. Lastly, please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 29, 2023, our system has categorized Google as a sell candidate, with a score of -4.19. Now let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. The stock saw a loss of -4.24%. That means, on average, it experienced a daily loss of -1.06% since being labeled as a sell candidate. The stock is currently moving in a wide and horizontal trend, indicating that it is likely to continue in this pattern. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a potential -1.91% change in the stock's value over the next 3 months. This means that the stock may fluctuate between -8.10% and 4.86%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected 57.74% change in the stock's value over the next year. This suggests a potential return between 55.71% and 81.33%. In other words, the stock could reach a price range of $201.29 to $234.40 after 12 months. Our latest daily update for Google brings the headline, "Red Day on Monday for Google." The stock price of Google experienced a decline of 1.96% on the last trading day, which was Monday, December 4, 2023. It dropped from $131.86 to $129.27, marking a 4-day consecutive decrease. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 1.66% between a low of $127.90 and a high of $130.03. Over the past 10 days, the price has fallen in 6 instances, resulting in a total decline of 4.46%. On the last day, trading volume increased by 5 million shares, despite the falling prices. This could potentially serve as an early warning sign, indicating a slightly increased risk over the next few days. In total, 36 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $4.61 billion in value. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the stock's highest price was $141.22, while the lowest price was $84.86. Currently, the price is 8.46% or $11.95 below the 52-week high. Additionally, it stands at 94.72% or $2,319.65 below the all-time high, which occurred on June 14, 2021, when the price reached $2,448.92. Today, we'll be discussing the latest analyst ratings for Google, the parent company of Google. Let's start with the most recent update. On Thursday, November 2, 2023, Oppenheimer gave Google a perform grade with a hold action. Moving on to the update from Wednesday, October 25, 2023, Morgan Stanley gave Google an overweight grade with a hold action. Now, let's talk about the update from Friday, October 13, 2023. Macquarie also gave Google an overweight grade with a hold action. On the same day, Friday, October 13, 2023, KeyBank gave Google an overweight grade with a hold action as well. Finally, on Tuesday, October 10, 2023, Wells Fargo gave Google an equal weight grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Google stock a general buy rating. They highly recommend the stock, rating its PE ratio as strong buy and price to book as strong buy. However, for return on investment, the analysts give the stock a more cautious neutral rating. Today, let's take a closer look at Google's stock signals. Currently, there are few to no technical positive signals for Google's stock. In fact, both short and long-term moving averages are indicating sell signals, painting a more negative forecast for the stock. On the upside, the stock may face resistance at the price levels of $134.14 and $132.75. Breaking above any of these levels could potentially issue buy signals. However, it's important to note that a sell signal was recently issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, November 22, 2023, resulting in a 6.66% decline so far. This suggests that the stock might continue to fall until a new bottom pivot is identified. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Yesterday, volume rose on falling prices, which could be seen as an early warning sign. It's recommended to closely monitor the stock in light of this. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. One signal to take note of is the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, which is currently showing a sell signal. Another signal to consider is the pivots, which indicated a sell signal 8 days ago. On the other hand, the Bollinger Bands gave a buy signal 26 days ago. The short-term moving average also displayed a sell signal 7 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average showed a sell signal 4 days ago. Additionally, the relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy 13 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average indicated a sell signal 4 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average displayed a sell signal 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy 7 days ago. If you want to discover more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Google. Google's stock finds support from accumulated volume at $125.61. This support level presents a potential buying opportunity, as it is likely to trigger an upwards reaction when tested. With consistently high trading volume and minimal daily fluctuations, the risk associated with this stock is considered to be low. In the last day, the stock experienced a price range of $2.13, 1.66%, between its highest and lowest points. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 1.98%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Google, let's start by reviewing some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Google's PE ratio is within the normal range, which is often seen in well-established businesses with predictable revenues. Moving on, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled to be released on February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings per share are at $1.60. It's important to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, let's take a closer look at some day trading levels for Google. If we see an upward trend, the first resistance level for Google is at $130.25. If you're not yet a shareholder, it might be wise to wait for this level to be broken before considering a position. However, if you already own the stock, this could be a potential level for swing trading. On the downside, Google faces its first support level at $125.61. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point for traders, with the expectation of a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Google has received a buy rating on average. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On December 1, 2023, O'Toole Amy Thuner sold 420 shares of Class C capital stock. On November 30, 2023, Arnold Francis sold 230 shares of Class C capital stock. On November 27, 2023, Pichai Sundar sold 225,000 shares of Class C capital stock. On November 27, 2023, Pichai Sundar bought 225,000 shares of Class C capital stock. On November 25, 2023, O'Toole Amy Thuner bought 840 shares of Class C capital stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power ratio is calculated to be -8.694, indicating a negative trend. In the last 100 trades, insiders purchased 1,525,208 shares and sold 1,810,441 shares. We have conducted a thorough evaluation of this stock and unfortunately, our assessment is negative. It is important to note that no stop loss has been set. Is Google stock a good buy? When it comes to Google stock, there are a few factors to consider. Currently, Google holds several negative signals and is within a wide and falling trend. This suggests that it may not perform strongly in the near future. In fact, based on our evaluation, we have a negative outlook on this stock. Furthermore, after analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. Looking ahead to Tuesday, December 5th, we anticipate that Google will open down by $0.205 and start trading at $129.07. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading involves a high risk of losing money. Always consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Please note that StockInvest.us provides information for educational purposes only and should not be the sole basis for your investment decisions. By using this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of this stock. We value your opinion, so make sure to comment below and share your thoughts. What target do you have in mind for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Our team wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day ahead.